The first I would like to say to respect to the teachers and everyone. My name is Mulika. Today I'm reading about the history of Christmas. Christmas is a special holiday celebrated every year on December 25th. It is a day when Christians around the world remember and celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who is believed to be the Son of God. How Christmas started. Over 2,000 years ago, Jesus was born in a small town called Bethlehem. His parents were Mary and Joseph. According to the story, Jesus was born in a stable because there was no room in the inn. Christians began celebrating his birth many years later, and this celebration eventually became known as Christmas. Who it is called Christmas? The word Christmas comes from two words, Christ referring to Jesus Christ, Mass, a special church service. So Christmas originally meant a special church service for Christ. Christmas traditions. Over time, many traditions became part of Christmas, such as decorating Christmas trees, giving gifts, singing Christmas carols, spending time with family and friends. Different countries have different traditions, but the idea of love, kindness, and giving is the same everywhere. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a popular Christmas character. He is based on Saint Nicholas, and kind man who lived long ago and loved giving gifts to children. Today, Santa Claus is imagined as a cheerful man in a red suit who brings presents on Christmas Eve. What Christmas teaches us? Christmas teaches important lessons: sharing and giving, being kind to others, love and togetherness, helping those in need. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone, for listening to me.